Machiegni kendo nyaka Ramogi e boma Nairobi kae ni Jodak ma Baba Dogo obago ng'anyo mar kwedo kembe moko ma giywak ni oketo chiel nyaka geng ndara kendo ketho thuolo ma no bedo madiny. Gibago ng'anyo mag bang' ji ariyo tho e masira e ndara no nikech diny ma kembe go koro kelo. Ne giting'o boke ma ondikie ote to kata kamano kembe go ok ochiko itgi e wi wachno. Giwacho ni masira mag ndara osebedo ka timore kanyo kinde ka kinde nyaka ne ger chiel ma koro keto ndara bedo madich.
We are here and we are begging the spectrum management for them to listen to the community. We have been facing so many challenges, accidents because of this wall. We have been losing our relative here because of extension of this wall. We are now standing here as a community, claiming for what belongs to us, claiming for the people who are doing business here so that they get their space, for us to get the modern business that county governments are building right now. This is what we want. This is the challenges that we are going through. There are so many. Most of the children here, because the road is too small, there's nothing like footpaths here. So many areas, there's a lot of challenges here. So we urge the spectrum community. We are pleading with them. We are talking with them. We are asking them to listen to the heart of